Hi, welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to fix a hole in a kayak. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. One of the most common ways that kayaks get holes is from rocks or sharp objects puncturing the hull. While repairing a hole in your kayak may seem daunting, it is quite simple with the right materials and instructions. In this article, we will show you how to fix a hole in a kayak so that you can get back out on the water as soon as possible. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, general guideline. Number 2, kayak welding methods. Number 3, types of kayak damages. Number 4, recommended products, quick repair solutions, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.